Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel. We bought this. That Milk bought this for us. We gonna make Mickey Beignets.
Yay!
This one and this one and.
Every time we go to Disneyland, we have to get Mickey Beignets. So today we'll be making our own. Let's get started. First step, we're gonna take 2 cups of the mix and put them into the bowl. Next, you need 7 ounces of water, and then you're gonna mix it in.
Next step, blend it.
Then sprinkle some flour so it will be easier to roll the dough.
Next, we're gonna grab our Mickey shaped cookie cutter. If you don't have one, you can just cut squares. The next step is we're going to get some oil and put it in the pan so we can get ready to fry them. And we're going to put the Mickeys in to fry for about 8 to 10 seconds on each side. We have some powdered sugar and we're going to sprinkle it on top of the Mickey Beignets. We made ours bite-sized. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Come back to Disneyland and do the meal again.
2, 1, action.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel.
Let's do it again.
Okay. Welcome to our channel.
Every time we go to Disneyland, the one snack we have to have is beignets. And we love getting it in downtown Disney at Jazzy's Kitchen.
Jazz.
Who's Jazzy?
Do you want me to say welcome to the
No,
channel?
Mom. Because obviously, this is you. Welcome.
No, wait.
Action.
Welcome to
And 3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome to our channel.
Every time we go to Disneyland, the #1 snack we need to get is beignets.
Mickey.